Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Airfryer 5.8 Quart, Sincreative Black Stainless Steel Airfryer 8-in-1 Digital LED Touchscreen Oilless Hot Oven Cooker with 13 recipes. Detachable Nonstick Basket, Temperature Control, Timer, 1700 watts. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 8 built-in smart programs, including fries/chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish and pizza. It's easy to use and helps save time. The 5.8 quart square basket fits a 5 to 6 pounds whole chicken and serves a family of 3 to 5 people. Compared with traditional deep frying methods, the hot air fryer's oven can reduce 85% oil for healthy diets and maintain the same delicious taste. What's more, it allows you to make crispy entrees and side dishes with no or less oil, providing your family with delicious and healthy meals with fun and easy way. So the air fryer is a perfect gift for family members and friends. The LED digital touchscreen makes it easy to operate. Just choose your preset with one easy tap on the display and you're ready to cook. You can also set your own temperature and cook time for personal recipes. Also, it will come with cookbook. Our air fryer is BPA and PFOA free. It has a non-stick stainless steel pan, heat-resistant handle, and a detachable dishwasher-safe basket, so it's easy to clean the unit after cooking. The air fryer is ETL listed and has a power rating of 120 volts/1700 watt, so it is really safe to use. This air fryer is equipped with a wide temperature range from 160 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit, which allows you to quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.